Steps to take care of your feet. Most of us tend to obsess over hair care, skin care, and weight loss. But we seldom pay much attention to our feet. Our feet bear the brunt of our weight every day, but they are usually neglected. Everyone loves a good foot massage. But foot care goes beyond the occasional massage, and a massage certainly isn't going to give you beautiful feet. Some common conditions include athlete's foot. This is a fungal infection that causes inflammation and severe irritation of the skin on the feet, especially on the bottoms of the feet and between the toes. Plantar warts. This is a type of viral infection that affects the soles of the feet. Although often asymptomatic, plantar warts can be quite painful. Blisters. Most commonly affects the feet because of ill-fitting shoes. Such blisters can be painful and can make walking rather unpleasant. Corns and calluses. This is a condition of thickened and dead skin that forms as a result of friction or pressure because of ill-fitting footwear or bone spurs. Foot care tips. Here is some advisable to follow certain foot care practices. Foot hygiene. If you've been outside or have been wearing shoes most of the day, wash your feet thoroughly with soap and water before you get ready for bed. Dirt that remains on the skin increases the risk of infection. Get rid of excess moisture. There is always a risk of unsightly fungal infections on the feet. So dry your feet after washing. Fungal infections tend to take hold quite easily in skin folds and between the digits. Moisturize. After you dry your skin, use moisturizer on your skin to keep it soft and healthy. Dry your skin first and then moisturizing may seem pointless, but there's a difference between wet skin and moisturized skin. If you don't moisturize regularly, your skin will dry out and it will increase the risk of cracked heels. Exfoliate. Get rid of dead skin and thickening skin by using a pumice stone or foot file on a regular basis. This will also help to prevent blemishes like calluses and corns. Nail cutting. Always exercise caution when trimming your toenails. Ingrown toenails almost always develop because of improper nail cutting techniques. Always trim straight across and never at an angle. Change those socks. Socks should be changed daily, no matter how clean you think they are. Avoid wearing closed shoes with socks for an extended period, especially if your feet tend to get sweaty. Make it a point to change your socks as frequently as possible. This is important, not just to avoid any unpleasant odor, but also to minimize the risk of fungal infections. Beware of the germs. You don't need to have Adrian Monk's misophonia to be wary of the germs in public places like locker rooms, gyms, and swimming pools. The flooring in such environments is often contaminated with germs, and there is a high risk of picking up infections like athlete's foot. Make sure that you carry and use your own footwear and never exchange or share footwear with others.